How to transfer photos from one Google Photos account to another. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can transfer your Google Photos from one account to another, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you had wanted to transfer it to another device, then you could just back them up to your Google Photos account and restore it on the next device. But since you want to transfer from one account to another, in that case it's a little bit of a complicated process, but don't worry, it's also very simple to do that. For that, you want to come to the sharing tab from the bottom right of the Google Photos app. Tap the option called Create Shared Album here. Once you tap on Create Shared Album here, simply make sure to give this album a name. After you do that, now go ahead and select the photos that you want to add to this album and share or send to the other person, which in this case could be a couple of photos from the menu. Now just tap the Add button here. And now you just want to share this with other people, so tap the share option, and here you can simply share with the default Gmail accounts that is in your contacts, or you can choose to invite the people. Now what we're doing here is that we're not really transferring photos from one account to another, we're only giving them access to view this album. The permission to delete the photo is still up to us, but the other account can also view this photo. So this way you'll be able to transfer your Google Photos account from one account to another. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.